Hello, it's AdventureNML. Welcome to the Maldives. We're at the Méridien. We just got upgraded to an overwater villa, so we'd love to welcome you in to check it out. First thing you'll notice, I'm sure, is the beautiful view, floor-to-ceiling windows. So whether you're in bed or sitting around, you've always got the ocean on the mind. Over here, you've got your refreshment station, complimentary water, coffee, tea. You've also got a fully stocked minibar that's either going to be an upcharge. We'll put the menu on the screen right now. You can also get different all-inclusive packages that include the minibar. I think our favorite snack, though, is going to be these macaroons and champagne that were complimentary because we are elite members. Really one of the nicest welcome gifts, I think, that I've gotten at a hotel. That's really going to be fun to pop the bubbly here in a few minutes. Day bed for you to relax and enjoy the views during the daytime. Night bed right behind it. TV for your entertainment with the water in the background. And then back through here is the attached room. First you've got the cowboy yeehaw style entrance into the full-size walk-in closet. And then you've got a little peekaboo into the bathroom. You can also close these at night for privacy and so you don't wake up your partner in the bed. One thing to mention, there is this vanity here. This is kind of about it that you get for an indoor desk. For a lot of people, that's going to be fine. You're on vacation, you don't mind. But if you're like me, doing a little work in the evenings or the nights, could be a little cramped. Toilets in that room, come on through into the double vanity bathroom. But I think the best part of the bathroom is the bedroom over here, where they put both the shower and the bathtub in the same room. Now let's head outside to the best part of an overwater villa, the overwater party. We've got this beautiful porch out here. We've outfitted it with a couple loungers so you can sit and look over the waves. Of course, you've got a ladder down into the water where you can snorkel or swim around. You've got the net here, perfect for the gram, get your shots in. You can also upgrade that to a pool. There's a limited amount of pool villas as well. And then of course there's a little table here where you can either work or enjoy a meal or just take advantage of your beautiful vistas. Then back inside to your relaxation station, into the air conditioning. If you think about it, this is an incredible deal. It's only 35,000 points. That's the kind of points that people usually spend on like an airport Marriott or an airport courtyard. These certificates usually rarely go to use on anything even close to as luxurious as this. And instead, you could be out here enjoying, a multi-room overwater villa in the middle of the Indian Ocean. So, really, just one of the best deals in the whole Marriott program. Welcome to MTV Cribs. This is your host exhibit. That's not even the right show.